I'm going to make a loop chain, and this is going to be just a decorative loop chain. I won't use it for names or anything like that. Okay, to start off, I've got these different ribbons, and I cut these at 5 inches long because I didn't want the loops as big. And I've already glued some of them, but I want to just show you what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put a little glue there, make a loop, take my second piece and glue. Now if I was using homecoming ribbon like acetate or polysatin, I would probably staple these. These are thicker ribbons, so I'm going to use hot glue. Okay, so I'm just going to hot glue those together. Two more here. I've got 4 different ribbons going here. Your normal loops are 6 inches, but like I said, I wanted to make it just a little bit smaller loops so it wouldn't be as wide. Okay, so I've already got these in order here that I want. So I want to start at the bottom. I like starting at the bottom. So I'm going to put some hot glue there. And this ribbon is not quite as wide as this. I'm going to have to be careful. I'm going to end up gluing my table probably. Okay. Now you could glue this right on top, but I'm going to leave a space. You could space these out as much as you want or put them as close together as you want. I'm just going to space them out a little bit. And it's so much faster to go ahead and have these glued together and have them in the order that you want them, so you don't mess them up. Got 3 more here. And I'm going to add a little bit more decoration to them. The last 2 on here. Okay, got the last one on there. And this chain is going to end up being about, it will work for either 24-inch or even an 18-inch. I still have plenty of room. Okay, so I took this diamond mesh and I cut it into small sections that fit perfectly, like right there. And then I also have this flower mesh ribbon, and I'm just going to cut sections of these off. You can find this online. I found it at Hobby Lobby in the paper crafting section too. And that diamond mesh, regular diamond mesh, you can find it in lots of places and even at some of the dollar stores. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead, bring this down. Some layer of glue there. I'm going to put that right there. Just tap that on there. Then for the next one, I'm going to take this, just do it like that. And again, if this was homecoming ribbon, like the acetates and polysatins, I would put the glue directly on here and then glue it, because it will make those ribbons like curl up. Especially the hotter your hot glue gun is, the worse it is. So just be careful of hot glue on stuff like that. Couple more here. You could put little bows, or you could put feathers and tinsel and all kinds of stuff on here. You could even put little trinkets in between. But I just really want to make a blingy one here. Okay, it's all done. You can see the different layers. how pretty that is. Anybody would be glad to have that on their mom. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like my videos. Thanks. Bye.